Wait, go back. That's what I thought he said. The Prophet of Regret is planning to activate Halo.
Are you sure?
I shall light this holy ring, release its cleansing flame, and burn a path into the divine beyond.
Pretty much.
Commander, we've got a problem.
So I hear. But from what I understand, the Prophet will need an object, the Index, to activate the ring. I've located a library similar to the one you found on the first Halo. If the rings work the same way, the Index should be inside.
I'll bet the Covenant are thinking the exact same thing.
Then we better beat them to it, Sergeant. Extract your men and meet me at the library.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll secure the Index too. You take out the Prophet. He's given us all the intel we need.
Take your time, I ain't going anywhere!
Oh, spotted!
Told you not to get too close! Go, you! Is that it, huh? Not as easy as you thought, huh, amigo?
I wish I had time to decipher these inscriptions. The Forerunners revered this place. Where was it? Was it a temple or a university? I can't say.
With authority! Good job, people!
Cortana, the Covenant's getting nosy. I don't want to give away my position, so I'm rerouting a few stragglers back to you. I apologize. These Pelicans are all the support you're gonna get.
Understood, ma'am. A gondola is launching from the far towers. Big surprise, it's full of Covenant reinforcements.
Take off your mask! You can't be that ugly! Good one! Go ahead, sir. click them off. I don't mind.
Well, they were nice enough to bring us a ride.
Yeah, that's the way.
This lake couldn't have been formed by volcanic action, which means it was either built this way on purpose or was created by some other cataclysmic event. I'm sorry, were you trying to kill something?
You'd win? I can't shake it!
Ah, now I see. There's a submerged section that connects these towers to the outlying structures. Looks like we're going down. Unless you'd prefer to swim.
Full car coming up!
I've intercepted a secure transmission from Regret's carrier to something called High Charity. It seems to be a formal apology to the prophets of truth and mercy. Apparently, Regret jumped the gun when he attacked Earth. He's asking the other prophets to forgive his premature arrival. arguing that no human presence was foretold. That explains why there were so few ships in his fleet. But it's odd a prophet would have such bad intel about his enemy's homeworld.
Hey, you, mind pointing that somewhere else, Chief?
You think they'll ever learn?
Miserable vermin!
Let's go.
And people say I've got a big head. Regret's carrier just received a response from High Charity. A very well-encrypted message from the Prophet of Truth. Listen to this. Your haste has jeopardized the fulfillment of our covenant, threatened our grand design. That you shall be spared a public display of our contempt is thanks only to Mercy and his wise counsel. Truth, Mercy, Regret. 3 prophet hierarchs. Killing Regret should shake up the covenant leadership. But frankly, it sounds like you might be doing Truth a favor.
I'm nearly out of fuel. We've secured the first tower cluster, so I'll set down there. Call when you're ready for evac.
Enemies that way, sir. Go nuts.
How's it going, you two? So far, so good. We're approaching the main temple now. Roger that. I'm as close to the library as I can get. There's some sort of barrier. We're trying to find a way around it. I'll keep you posted.
That's the largest Covenant fleet I've ever seen. The largest anyone's ever seen. Get inside the temple and kill Regret before it can stop us.
Got another contact. Yeah, Chief. Nice.
The Covenant fleet has launched multiple waves of phantoms. Too many for me to attack. We don't have much time.
Now, a little effort is all I require. I agree with you.
There are honor guards all over this place. Watch your back.
The great journey will not be postponed.
There's the target. Take him out.
Warriors, attack! The demon must die!
Bad news. The Phantoms are turning around. The fleet is preparing to fire on our position. We need to get out of here.